Design build is when one single entity takes responsibility for both designing the house and building the house. With the traditional method, an architect is handling the design with no input from a builder. Then that architect plan set is delivered to 3 or 4 builders to essentially bid on it. Then you start building. So if you are waiting for the design process to completely happen before you start that, you're just adding that much more time to the project. In our process, we own the design piece as much as we own the build piece. They're both equally as important. The design and build is happening concurrently throughout the project. Our design build is much more than just architectural design and then the build. There's so many facets of the home process that we have under this roof in our building. We have a complete interior design department. We can handle everything from selections, cabinetry, all the way through to furniture design. And we have the landscape architecture in-house so that we can be talking about the outdoor living right from the very beginning. Our millwork offering is the heartbeat of the house. Because we self-perform all of the carpentry functions, we know exactly what we're doing. When you have that level of craftsmanship at all levels of the project, it's what makes a custom home extraordinary.